Ang pagsulod sa bagong tuig ang tiunman sa mga pagbago para sa pila ka mga pumuluyo. Masamiman nga ginabantayan kung anong manginuso sa magasulod nga tuig. Isa sa mga ini, ang sapatag sang fashion. Ano ba lang mangin-in? Ano naman ang mangin-out sa 2024? Ini ang tutukan ta sa mga aga sa Spotlight.
Mga puso, this morning, let's talk about sustainable fashion. Yung ginapaabot manging trend. This new year, kakamisyon sa isa ka homegrown talent nga suportahan ang aton mga sastre pinaagi sa mga nagkalain-lain na programa focusing on women empowerment and livelihood development. What's in, what's out this 2024? With us is stylist to the stars, Emgee Jimenea. Hi there, Merry Christmas, may aga.
Good morning!
Let's talk about your life as a fashionista. Paano bala ini nagsugod?
I love really clothes. My mom would dress me up and yeah, namiagi kami yung magbayo-bayo.
We all start somewhere, Gideon. Emgee, one of your notable accomplishments bilang isa ka Negrense is styling and curating significant fashion pieces for the likes of our Kapuso stars Rian Ramos and more recently Beauty Gonzalez of The Stolen Life. What's the experience like? Oh, what a great collaboration.
Beauty and Rian, super sadyagid nami amon collaboration and it's a great opportunity for us, especially for our local brand, nga maging known man kita sa national scene.
Siyempre, mga Kapuso stars what's in or out this 2024? Let's talk about our red carpet fashion forecast first. Functionality has become more needed this time around sa atong ginatawag ba lang a fashion landscape.
Well, for 2024, practicality meets style ang aton usogid for this 2024. Wherein, ang ginauso subong ginatawag nga utilitarian aesthetic. So what does this mean? Nga, makakita ta si subong sa next year for 2024, you could see like big pockets nga functional at the same time, durable fabrics and anything in between nga workable aesthetic yun siya. So hindi lang siya nga the 2024 landscape, ang mga guro mismo nag-suggest nga 2024 will be the time nga the landscape will be embracing sang fashion nga functionable siya at the same time stylish siya.
What's our color of the year this 2024? We all base this sa Pantone Declaration
Okay. So, as Pantone suggests, 2024, the color of the year is peach fuzz. So, amo ni siyang do bright orange, happy colors, and refreshment palette for 2024. Of course, we can all try this one, kido ka-basic lang siya nga color. But of course, the neutrals are here to stay. So, you would never go out of style if you'll be able to wear neutrals like black, whites, nude, never out of style.
Wow, the classic remains sa gihapon, no? Ako I'm more of a nude kind of guy Kaya syempre, orange, my favorite. TMG, paano naman yung medyo dark skin? Mga morena, mga Pinay beauties natin.
It's a bright, actually, damo ta mga itom ng mga morenas nga nag-perfect siya sa skin. So, it's a bright, happy orange. It's a color nga, lively gid siya nga color. It's for everyone as well.
Wow, I love orange. This is my year. Let's talk about accessories nga luyag sa mga pamatanon naton. We have become more stylish na gidya sa aton mga fashion choices.
For accessories, we're seeing for the 2024 na mga collection, mga stylish socks, statement shoes, and of course, ang latest edition, ang mga ginahambal, which will be available soon sa amon man, mga stylish ties, brooch, and mga bows. You could wear like a formal dress and then i-add on mo lang siya para daw may statement lang ang imong outfit. Maski basic outfit, as long as daw may tie ka, daw ka-cute na siya dayon.
Well, that's very fitting for Bacolod City. Bilang isa ka super city, we are in the pursuit also of setting up our very own recycling facility sa syudad. Ang basura sa fashion hindi manigar, puwerte man kadamo. Turning fashion scraps into usable, fashionable items has been your ardent vision, principle, since you established your name in the local to international fashion scene.
As much as possible, for our 2024 calendar, we made an initiative nga every after collection, fabric scraps, we will have to turn them into a dress, a top, or something that we could really wear and reuse and help the environment and make the fashion sustainable, gidya. And regarding sa sustainability, if I may add, if you can see sa mga runways subong, brand designers and mga brands na gidya, they're really promoting about sustainable fashion. And as for us here, ang mga dresses are made of fabric scrap. scraps from our previous collection, and we turned them into dresses nga maging wearable man sila at the same time, instead of ending up in landfills. At the same time, na-recycle, na-reuse na siya, and magamit pa siya namon.
There you have it mga kapuso, sustainable fashion, mapuslan, magamit, and don't forget to wear your confidence as your greatest fashion accessory.